Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today I would like to show about how to use the software SIMATIC Manager version 5.6. Continue. Yes, in the previous video we already learned about how to use and simulation the concept of function set and reset. Okay. So today I have one more topic about what is the meaning of function not context. Okay, so this is the simple program that we will create and simulation, and this is a principle of context, meaning of not context. Okay, so this is the input. For example, M10.4. Normally, if it on, it will true, right? So the output Q 2.1 is off. Okay. So when I turn off M 10.4, the output Q 2.1 will turn on. Okay. Turn on for our. So when I let M 10.4 on, the Q 2.1 will turn off again. Okay, so this is the concept of context not. Okay, let's create the program and test with simulation. Okay, first we go to SIMATIC Manager and open the project. Okay, I will choose the existing project that we already learned in the previous video. So open the OP1. Okay. This is the existing project for set and reset. So I will create the new network for create the function node for simulation. Okay, so start insert the new network, and this one I can command not how to use not context. Okay, so go to PowerPoint again. Okay, so I will choose the nominal open for M10.4. Okay, so M10.4 and choose the not context, right? So to choose the not context, please go to BitLogic and then drag and drop the not context to this network. Okay, and then I will choose the Q 2.1, right? Okay, for so Q 2.1. Okay, so now we already create the sample program for test. So save our project and download to CPU. But before download, don't forget go to simulation and turn on the CPU. Okay, and then go to set PC interface and go to PLC sim MPI. Okay, so right now we can download for simulation and CPU stop. Okay, let's clear the CPU and try to download again. I can close this one and download all again. Okay, right now the CPU is running, so open the organization block OP1 again and zoom in. And go to online. Okay, right now we can online, but normally this one is turned on, right? M10.4 is turned on. So we will compare with our PowerPoint slide. Okay. Okay. This is a diagram of principal working of function node. So we will test it. Right now the M10.4 is on, right? So this is 1 or true. So if I turn off the M10.4, the Q2.1 will on, right? So I turn off. Okay, you see the Q2.1 is turned on. But when I turn on the M10.4 again, okay, the Q2.1 is turned off again. So this is a concept of principal working contact not. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video, and if like my video, please don't forget like and subscribe my channel also to get more notification and new video. Okay, so thank you very much again and see you next video.